Hey everyone, welcome back. If you saw my last series, you know we spent some time digging into the kinds of tax advice that gets a lot of attention on social media, sometimes a little too much attention. In other words, tips that sound exciting but don't always work out the way people think. For this new series, I want to flip things around. Instead of just focusing on the overhyped tax advice, we're going to talk about some of the under-the-radar strategies. These are tools and opportunities that don't get the same spotlight, but in the right situation, they can actually make a really big difference. Now, a quick but important reminder, everything I'm sharing here is for educational purposes only. It's not intended to be tax or legal advice. You should consult your own professional before you make any decisions, before you do anything based on this. Again, educational purposes only. Don't come and tell me you did something and then it had bad results because you didn't talk to your professional first, please. I also want to set some expectations. I don't do one-off tax consults based on these videos. This kind of tax planning is something I reserve for my existing clients that do advisory work with me. So if you're already a client and something in this sparks an idea, let's talk about it at our next advisory meeting. Or if you're one of our clients that's not doing regular advisory meetings yet, would love to talk with you about adding that to the services we provide for you. So just reach out and we'll start that conversation. With all that in mind, here's what's coming up in this next series. We're going to start with some of the lesser known retirement strategies. So some things beyond just the basics. Then we're going to look at depreciation, how that can be used strategically and how it actually kind of functions in the real world. We're going to look at S corporations, and we're going to look at some of the things that people often miss when they're considering S corporations. And then the last video I'm excited about, it's a potpourri. It's just a few kind of random, but if you're in the right situation, super powerful things for you to consider. So I'm really excited to share these with you because while they don't make the headlines that some of the flashy strategies do, they are real opportunities that for the right person in the right situation can be extremely powerful and save a lot of tax. So with that said, stick around and we'll dive in.